Hey y'all, it's Meso. Welcome to my kitchen today where we're going to be making something good. I'm going to make something that's my very first time, and that's air fryer wings. Now I use my air fryer a lot, but it's always for just crisping up food that is already made. This is my very first time actually cooking wings in the air fryer. I'm going to see how I do and how much I like them. So I've already soaked these wings in vinegar for about 15 minutes. Now I'm washing them off, and then here I just toweled them off, made them a little dry, and I'm using my kitchen shears to just cut them into pieces. Now if you'll notice, you can see that I'm leaving those wing tips, those little flaps, I'm leaving them on, and the reason that I am is because my family eats them. Yeah, we adore them. I like to just have them and we kind of eat the little skin off and chew on them. This is a seasoning called Flavor Rice. It is a Jamaican seasoning. It has nothing to do with rice. I don't know why it's named that, but it's a really good seasoning. And I like using it on my seafood, on my chicken, really just about on everything. It's a really good seasoning. I'm also using some jerk seasoning, not because this is a jerk's chicken, just because I like the flavor components in some of the jerk seasonings. And this one in particular I like. I got some kosher salt here because you know we don't want to eat any chicken that has no salt on it. We got to give it some flavor. So we are adding a little bit of kosher salt to this chicken. I'm just using my hands to just make sure I get all the ingredients smeared all over the chicken. You can use gloves if you want to. I have a 1 gallon plastic bag here, and I put in some flour. I'm going to put in some baking powder, and I'm also going to put in some cornstarch. Don't worry about the measurements or even the ingredients, because I'm going to put a link into the description box. That's right up under this video that you're looking at. You click on that link and it'll take you to my website where you can actually print this recipe off. You don't have to worry about it. You don't have to write it down. You can print the recipe off. It is printable and it is free. Now I'm just kind of moving these things around a little bit because I want to put some oil on them before I cook them. Putting a little bit of olive oil on these wings, and I'm just going to get them together, make sure I rub all the olive oil on all of them. Now I'm going to get them down into this plastic bag. Now I'm going to use this plastic bag because I don't want to mess up a bowl. I don't know why I don't do it all the time, but this really keeps everything clean and neat. And you can get all your meat covered with some of the flour without having to mess up a bowl or your hands or the board. And you just got to make sure that you're doing what I'm doing here. Make sure you seal this bag now. Otherwise, you'll get a good dusting, honey, of flour and just make a mess. So you want to make sure you get that bag completely sealed. I think it's okay now. Let's move on. So I got my pan here, and I've got a little piece of foil down in the pan. But all I'm doing here is just taking these wings out of the bag, and I'm going to lay them on this pan and just let them just kind of rest for a few seconds just before I put them in the fryer. I'm excited, guys, to see how these are going to turn out. Like I said, I have never used my air fryer for cooking, and I use it every day, but not for cooking. I use it for warming and re-crisping something up. I sprayed a little bit of the vegetable spray on top of these wings just because I want to give it just a hint of oil. I think that'll make it brown better. Okay, now I'm going to get these into my little air fryer, and I'm going to set it for, I'm going to leave it on, go ahead and leave it on 400 degrees. Wow, pretty good, huh? I let it cook for 35 to 40 minutes in there. I didn't turn mine. I think next time I cook them, I will turn them over halfway through. That might make them look a little bit better. But honey, these things are crispy and they are good. Here I am just drizzling on some homemade blue cheese dressing. This homemade dressing is on my channel. Just go to Meso Making It, blue cheese dressing, and you can get the recipe for that. Look at that. I put some lime on here because I like a little lime on my wings, and sometimes I like a little lemon, either one. I didn't have a lemon today, so I'm using lime. Let me see. Gotta check it out, y'all. Ooh, crunchy. Look at that. Put a little bit more of this blue cheese on here. Oh man. A-okay, y'all. This is a big 10 out of 10. Guys, I want to thank you for coming by, checking on me today to see what I was doing. Now, you knew I'd be throwing down, and I hope that I did not disappoint. If you're already subscribed to my channel, I want to thank you. Thank you. I appreciate you. If you're not subscribed, please hit that red subscribe button and make sure that the parentheses come around the bell. That way you'll be notified every time I put up a new video. Give me a thumbs up. That's going to help me to move along, grow my channel, and to move along in the algorithm. Guys, leave me some comments. Share my videos wherever you're active on social media. And that thumbs up is very important. I am on TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram. Check me out over there. I want to get more active over there, and I want to get more of a following. I want to ask you guys to make sure you take care of yourself, love yourself, keep a good check on your mental health. You know what? If you take care of yourself, you're more equipped to love somebody else and those in your family. You can do a better job. And here's the way that you can show your love to anyone. Share your food, baby. That's what I come in here and do every day, is share these great, fantastic, vintage recipes with you guys. And that's the way I share my love with you. Share your love, share your food. Bye-bye till next time, loves.